Transition, change, or transformation is a functional space, an intelligent passage, a bridge, a mediator, and an energetic link between phases in life, between identities you embody, and between levels of awareness that you are in. My purpose is to empower and support you through that functional space, or a process is another term that we would use, so that you have your best time while reclaiming this next step of new direction, visibility, new level of vibrancy and health, or maybe a new phase in life or business. Energetically, as you come towards the end of something and in the beginning of something new, this transition is a space of time when you are neither here or there, and often it can feel as you are in a state of overwhelm, instability, discomfort, darkness, and overall in a state of confusion. And it may be too much to take on, especially if you are a highly sensitive woman with all the responsibilities, the things, the children, or the team to take care of, and everything that you feel within the space and within the state of being that you are. I invite you to think back to the times in your life when or where you felt most vulnerable, unmotivated, exhausted, overwhelmed, anxious, or unstable, where you felt that you could not see your future in a way. You didn't feel that passion, creativity, desire, vibrancy, and confidence, and maybe lacking determination and personality in a way. Can you recall what was happening during those times? Often we associate darkness, confusion, or inner discomfort with some limiting beliefs that we may carry. I did something wrong, or I am not where I should be, and expectations that we have on ourselves, or I must be doing something wrong because I don't feel myself. And we often end up beating ourselves up. We often have or carry guilt, and we have fear of what our future is going to be, or what our future holds for us. And it is very normal that we feel that inability to process the information at this very moment because of the state of being where we are. This is a moment when you, and your intelligence are transitioning from the old level or phase of life, graduating from that level of consciousness and awareness, and about to enter a new era, a new realm, a new octave in frequency, a new destiny, and a new level of awareness and consciousness. And you are going to experience the unknown. This I guarantee. There is that transition, the bridging space, the intelligent passage, the energetic emptiness, where it's going to be confusing and it may feel difficult in all the ways. Energetically, your entire body, your biofield, or your so-called aura is stretching and enlarging. Your entire vessel is expanding to encompass more of the light entering the body to prepare you for that next level of presence. At this moment in time, you are accessing parts of yourself that you have never experienced for lifetimes. The light entering the body at this moment in time is also shining on some of the darkness and the discomfort within. And it is asking those inner disharmonies to be addressed, to be taken care of, and to be nourished. Also to be alchemized, transmuted, and transformed. So this space here and this channel is intended and architected to guide and empower you on how to stay open, how to access your inner resources and energy intelligence during this very special moment in time, so that you navigate and architect your transition from a higher and empowered state of being and step in your next level of presence, in your new era, in your new destiny, with clarity, certainty, stability, confidence, and vibrancy, and enjoy life and trust that you are exactly where you need to be. And of course, take up space and expand and experience and embody more of your truth, more of your essence every time you transition. What's your story and a moment of transition you are in at this moment in time? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.